Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 7 assignment of the course Data Analytics with Python. So now let's see the first question. Guys, I hope almost all solutions are correct. So I tried my best to give you the most probable solutions. So if there are any changes, so please let me know guys. So these solutions are completely my probable solutions. I am uploading this video for the students who are unable to mark their solutions on their own due to lack of time or any reasons. So that's why we are uploading these solutions. So for the students who cannot upload their solutions on time. So let's see the first question guys. So do watch the video till the end. If I make any changes in between, you can be able to note those changes only if you watch full video. And please like the video and please share the video with your friends and classmates, and definitely subscribe our channel guys. Please encourage us. So for the first question, the interval estimate of the mean value of y, that means dependent variable, for a given value of x is defined as what? So for the first question, the answer is second one, that is confidence interval estimate. So option B is the correct answer for first question. Now moving on to the second one, which of the following is called standard error? So for second question, it is fourth option, square root of MSE. Square root of MSE. Next, the third question, which of the following is true about multiple regression model? So for the third question, it is third option. It has more than one independent variable. Next, moving on to the fourth one, the fourth question. So guys, before getting into this question, I want to make a small announcement. So for the course Data Analytics with Python, so we have collected the exam preparation MCQs. These are the previous year questions guys. So here you will get a huge number of 120 MCQs within a Google Drive PDF link. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we are providing these solutions guys. So we have collected these solutions. So this is the email ID guys. If you want to purchase our PDF MCQs, this is the mail ID to mail. Only mail me if you want to purchase guys. For other queries, you can please ask your doubts in the comment section of YouTube itself. So 120 MCQs. So for one person it is 250 rupees guys, and for 2 to 5 persons combined it is 500 rupees guys. So if you are preparing along with your classmates, so then you can combine as a group and you can take this 2 to 5 persons pack for just 500 rupees combinedly guys. So individually your price will be reduced if you take as a group, right? So even if you're one person, no need to worry, you will get it for 250 only guys. So you'll get 120 MCQs, previous year MCQs. For one person it is 250 rupees, and for 2 to 5 persons combined it is 500 rupees guys. So this is the mail ID. You have to mail me if you want to purchase the pack guys. Now let's go back to the solutions. So fourth question. In a multiple regression model, the error term epsilon, so is assumed to what? So in a multiple regression model, it is normally distributed. Error term is normally distributed. Now moving on to the fifth question. For a multiple regression model, with two independent variables, so r square 0.904 and adjusted r square 0.88, so determine the number of observation n. So for the fifth question, the probable answer is fourth option guys, that is 10. Now moving on to the sixth question. The sixth question, if the R square value is small for a model with a large number of independent variables, the adjusted coefficient of determination can be, so what it can be? It can be or is it positive, negative, zero, or we can't say. So what is the option? So if R square value is small for a model with large number of independent variables, then the adjusted coefficient of determination can be negative. So this is the probable answer, guys. Next, moving on to the seventh one. Which one of the statements is true regarding residuals in regression analysis? Which of the statements is true regarding residuals in regression analysis? So for seventh question, so it could be option 1, guys. Mean of residuals is always 0. Mean of residuals is always 0. Next, moving on to the eighth one. In a simple linear regression model with one independent variable, so if we increase the input variable by 1 unit, how much will the output variable change? That means if we increase the input variable by 1 unit, how much will the output variable change? So for eighth question, the probable answer is third option, by its slope. By its slope. Next, ninth one. If linear regression model has train error as 0, then what will be the value of test error? So if train error is 0, then the test error is what? So for the ninth question, the probable answer is fourth option, cannot comment on test error. So we cannot determine whether it can be, whether the value of it, test error can be 0 or not. We can't predict. So for ninth question, the probable answer is fourth option, guys. And moving on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th one. Which of the following evaluation metrics is used to evaluate a model while modeling a continuous output variable? So before getting into this solution, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So for the course Data Analytics with Python, we have collected the previous year exam preparation MCQs, guys. So here you'll get a huge number of 120 MCQs, the previous year questions, previous year assignment questions, guys. So for one person it is 250 rupees, and for 2 to 5% it is 500 rupees, guys. So this is the mail ID you have to mail me for. I will give the same email ID in the description box as well as in the comment section, guys. So for 10th and final question, the probable answer is fourth option, mean square error. Mean squared error. So friends, these are the solutions for week 7 assignment. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and do share the video with your friends and classmates, and definitely take this 120 MCQs pack, guys. So for 1% 250, and for 2 to 5% it is 500, guys. So it will be helpful for you in the preparation for the final exam, guys. So this is the mail ID. If you want to purchase, then only mail me, guys. So that's it, guys. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye. Thank you.